What if machines could build faster, safer, and smarter than humans? Today, we're exploring robotic construction tools that never get tired, never miss a measurement, and are completely changing how the world is built. IronBot is changing the way heavy construction work gets done. Designed to handle tough, repetitive tasks, this smart robot works with precision that humans simply can't match for long hours. From lifting heavy materials to assisting in structural assembly, IronBot reduces physical strain on workers and improves overall site safety. What makes IronBot impressive is its ability to adapt to different job environments using advanced sensors and AI-powered controls. It can operate in tight spaces, maintain consistent performance, and work day or night without fatigue. Construction teams benefit from faster project timelines and fewer on-site accidents. Instead of replacing workers, IronBot supports them by taking on the most demanding jobs. As construction technology continues to evolve, IronBot represents a future where humans and machines work together to build stronger, safer, and more efficient structures than ever before. Imagine a robot that can build entire multi-story buildings with precision and speed. This is the Icon multi-story robot, and it's redefining modern construction. Instead of relying on slow, labor-heavy methods, this powerful system automates the building process layer by layer. It works non-stop, delivers consistent quality, and drastically reduces material waste. What truly sets it apart is its ability to construct taller structures while maintaining strength and accuracy. By taking on the most demanding tasks, the robot minimizes on-site risks and improves worker safety. As cities expand upward and housing demand grows, technologies like this offer a smarter, faster solution. The Icon multi-story robot isn't just about building faster, it's about building better. This innovation signals a future where construction is more efficient, sustainable, and driven by intelligent machines shaping the skylines of tomorrow. The Volvo LX03 is not just a machine, it's a bold vision of how construction sites may look in the future. Designed as an autonomous electric wheel loader, the LX03 works without a driver, making job sites safer, quieter, and more efficient. Instead of a traditional cab, it features advanced sensors and smart navigation systems that allow it to move, load, and unload materials on its own. Because it runs on electric power, the Volvo LX03 produces zero emissions, helping reduce environmental impact while cutting fuel and maintenance costs. Its compact and flexible design allows it to work smoothly in busy or tight construction areas. More importantly, automation reduces human exposure to dangerous tasks, improving overall site safety. The Volvo LX03 shows how technology, sustainability, and innovation can come together. It's a glimpse into a future where construction is smarter, cleaner, and more efficient than ever before. The Construction Robotics MZ100 is changing how heavy masonry work gets done on modern job sites. Designed to work alongside skilled masons, this robotic system focuses on one of the toughest tasks in construction, handling and placing heavy blocks with precision. Instead of replacing workers, the MZ100 acts like a powerful assistant, lifting large masonry units and positioning them accurately, reducing physical strain and fatigue. What makes the MZ100 impressive is its consistency. It can place blocks all day without slowing down, helping teams maintain steady progress and meet tight deadlines. The system is easy to integrate into existing workflows, making it practical for real-world construction environments. By improving safety, boosting productivity, and minimizing injuries caused by repetitive heavy lifting, the MZ100 represents a smarter approach to building. As construction robotics continue to evolve, tools like the MZ100 show how technology can enhance human skill rather than replace it. Imagine painting a ceiling without ladders, scaffolding, or tired arms. That's exactly what Okibo's ceiling painting robot makes possible. Designed for speed and precision, Okibo uses advanced robotics and smart vision to paint ceilings smoothly and evenly, every single time. It moves along surfaces with confidence, covering large areas faster than traditional methods while reducing mess and material waste. What makes Okibo special is safety. By keeping workers on the ground, it minimizes risks and creates a safer job site. It also delivers consistent results, even on complex ceiling designs, something that's hard to achieve manually. For construction companies and renovation teams, this means lower labor costs, faster project completion, and higher quality finishes. Okibo ceiling painting isn't just automation, it's a smarter way to work. As construction technology evolves, robots like Okibo are changing how buildings are finished, one ceiling at a time. Built Robotics RPD 35 is changing how heavy construction work gets done. This autonomous drilling machine is designed to handle tough, repetitive tasks with precision and consistency. Instead of relying on manual operation, the RPD 35 uses advanced sensors, GPS, and computer vision to drill holes accurately, even in challenging environments. What makes it impressive is its ability to work long hours without fatigue, helping construction teams finish projects faster and safer. By reducing the need for workers to operate heavy machinery directly, it lowers the risk of accidents on site. The RPD35 is especially useful for solar farms, infrastructure projects, and large-scale foundations where accuracy matters most. Built Robotics focuses on making machines smarter, not replacing humans but supporting them. With the RPD35, construction moves toward a future where automation improves efficiency, safety, and overall project quality one perfectly drilled hole at a time. COBOD BOD3 is one of the most exciting innovations in modern construction, changing how buildings are made. This large-scale 3D construction printer can print walls and structural elements directly on-site using concrete. Instead of weeks of manual labor, the BOD3 completes major parts of a building in just days, saving time, cost, and effort. What makes the COBOD BOD3 special is its flexibility. It can be adjusted to different building sizes and designs, making it ideal for homes, offices, and even commercial projects. The printer works with high precision, reducing material waste and improving overall build quality. Fewer errors also mean stronger and more consistent structures. Beyond speed, the BOD3 supports sustainable construction. By using only the required amount of material, it helps lower environmental impact. As 3D printing technology continues to evolve, machines like the COBOD BOD3 are leading the way toward faster, smarter, and more efficient construction. The Epiroc SmartROC D65 is a powerful drill rig designed to make mining and quarry work faster, safer, and more efficient. Built for tough environments, this machine combines strength with smart technology. It delivers precise drilling even in hard rock conditions, helping operators achieve consistent results every time. What truly sets the SmartROC D65 apart is its intelligent automation. Features like automated drilling, real-time data monitoring, and smart navigation reduce operator fatigue and improve accuracy. This means fewer errors, less downtime, and higher productivity on the job site. The rig is also designed with comfort and safety in mind. Its ergonomic cabin offers excellent visibility, low noise levels, and easy-to-use controls. With reduced fuel consumption and lower maintenance needs, the SmartROC D65 is not just powerful, it's efficient. The Kewazo Liftbot is changing how construction teams move heavy materials on site. Instead of workers carrying bulky scaffolding parts by hand, Liftbot takes over the heavy lifting. This smart robotic hoist is designed to transport materials vertically with speed and precision, reducing physical strain and saving valuable time. Liftbot easily attaches to scaffolding systems and uses intelligent controls to lift loads smoothly and safely. By automating one of the most exhausting tasks in construction, it helps workers focus on skilled work rather than manual labor. The result is a safer job site, fewer injuries, and faster project completion. What makes the Kewazo Liftbot stand out is its simplicity. It's easy to set up, easy to operate, and fits naturally into existing workflows. As construction sites continue to adopt automation, Liftbot proves that smart machines don't replace workers. They support them, making construction safer, smarter, and more efficient than ever before. The Hilti Jaibot is changing how drilling work is done on construction sites. Instead of workers spending hours marking, measuring, and drilling overhead holes, this smart robot does the job with speed and precision. Using digital building plans, Jaibot knows exactly where each hole should be drilled and completes the task with impressive accuracy. What makes Jaibot special is how it supports workers rather than replacing them. It handles the heavy, repetitive overhead drilling, reducing physical strain and improving safety on site. At the same time, skilled workers can focus on supervision and quality control. Jaibot is especially useful for large projects like hospitals, tunnels, and industrial buildings where thousands of holes are needed. By saving time, reducing errors, and improving consistency, Hilti Jaibot shows how robotics can make construction smarter, safer, and more efficient for the future. Meet FBR Hadrian, the robot that's changing how buildings are made. Instead of teams of workers laying bricks one by one, Hadrian does the job with incredible speed and precision. This robotic bricklayer uses advanced robotics and AI to read digital building plans and place bricks exactly where they belong. No fatigue, no mistakes, just consistent accuracy from start to finish. What makes Hadrian special is its ability to build strong walls faster than traditional methods, while reducing material waste and labor risks. It can work in tough conditions and keeps humans out of dangerous construction zones. For the construction industry, this means safer sites, lower costs, and faster project completion. Hadrian isn't here to replace people, it's here to support them. By handling repetitive and heavy tasks, it allows skilled workers to focus on planning, quality, and creativity. This is not science fiction. This is the future of construction, and it's already building today. The Ligchine LS120 is changing the way concrete floors are finished on large construction sites. Designed for speed and precision, this laser-guided screed uses advanced sensors to level concrete with incredible accuracy. Instead of relying on manual tools and guesswork, the LS120 automatically adjusts itself to create smooth, flat surfaces in a fraction of the time. What makes the LS120 stand out is its efficiency. One machine can replace several workers, reducing labor costs while improving consistency across the entire slab. It also works well in tight spaces and large open areas, making it ideal for warehouses, industrial floors, and commercial buildings. Beyond productivity, the Ligchine LS120 improves safety by limiting physical strain on workers. With cleaner finishes, faster results, and smarter technology, this machine represents the future of concrete leveling, where precision meets performance on every pour. The Canvas 1200CX is a powerful example of how modern construction technology is changing the way heavy work gets done. Designed for efficiency and reliability, this machine combines smart engineering with rugged performance to handle demanding job sites with ease. What makes the 1200CX stand out is its balance between power and precision. It's built to deliver consistent results while reducing downtime, helping teams work faster without sacrificing quality. The intuitive control system allows operators to stay focused and productive, even during long shifts. Its durable structure ensures stability in tough conditions, making it suitable for large-scale industrial and infrastructure projects. Beyond performance, the Canvas 1200CX is also designed with safety and ease of maintenance in mind, which saves both time and cost in the long run. Overall, the Canvas 1200CX represents the future of smart, efficient construction equipment. Strong, dependable, and built to perform where it matters most. The Brokk 200 is a compact demolition robot designed to take on tough jobs in tight spaces. Despite its small size, this machine delivers serious power, making it ideal for indoor demolition, renovation work, and hazardous environments. Controlled remotely, the Brokk 200 keeps operators at a safe distance while handling heavy tasks like breaking concrete, removing tiles, and cutting steel. Its electric drive system allows it to work quietly and without emissions, which is perfect for hospitals, factories, and urban sites. The machine's slim design lets it pass through standard doorways, while its strong hydraulic arm ensures precision and control. Built for durability and efficiency, the Brokk 200 reduces manual labor, speeds up projects, and improves job site safety. It's a smart solution for contractors looking to combine power, safety, and flexibility in modern demolition work. Hilti Robotics FieldPrinter 2 is changing how construction layouts are done on job sites. Instead of relying on chalk lines, tape measures, and manual marking, this smart robot prints digital floor plans directly onto the concrete with incredible precision. It uses BIM and CAD data to mark walls, doors, and utilities exactly where they belong, saving hours of labor and reducing costly mistakes. What makes the FieldPrinter 2 special is its speed and accuracy. It works autonomously, navigates around obstacles, and can lay out an entire floor in a fraction of the time it takes a human crew. This means faster project timelines and cleaner, more consistent results. By turning digital plans into real-world markings, FieldPrinter 2 helps construction teams build with confidence. It's a perfect example of how robotics is making construction smarter, faster, and more efficient than ever.